Hi, everybody. Welcome to PBA 400 Organizations and Management, where organizations and management come alive. And Dixie and Emmy have come to say hello to you today. They said, Happy President's Day. Think of all of the leadership and organizational management that all 45 presidents have done throughout the more than 200 years of history of the United States. Lots of leadership, lots of organization, and each president has had their own leadership style, their own changes that they've implemented, their own organizations that they've created, that they've managed, and that they've appointed leadership to. And so, very important to keep in mind the long history, yet the great future that we have ahead in our country of and the great opportunity to elect our leaders as well, see what kind of leadership we want in our country, and let the people decide. So this is a very exciting time, especially leading up to the presidential election this year. Okay, so a few things we're going to be looking at are change management. I think it's a very, very exciting time to be looking at human resources. There are so many changes going on in organizations today regarding technology to stay competitive with other and maintain high levels of customer service that people expect in organizations. Creating products, services that are valuable, that provide and meet a public need, that meet an economic need for people. It's a very, very wonderful time to be studying change management, because change is such a huge reality in organizations these days. And so we're going to be looking at that human resource element. How do you manage people through change? It's a big question. Also, the concept of total quality management. What are some of the processes? What are some of the policies that you set in place when you're managing an organization? Does it sound fun, girls? Yeah, it sounds very fun. Okay, good. All right. Okay, good. And you've also got how do you motivate people to maintain a quality product, to maintain a quality culture, to maintain a quality organization, and what sort of hygiene factors? That's a term we're going to learn this week. Hygiene is more like the administrative, the procedural, the policy environment, the buildings, the facilities that you maintain for your organization. So that's the hygiene. So the two key elements in human resources: motivation and hygiene. So the other thing is, in human resources, you have an interpersonal reality at all times when you're dealing with human beings. You have always dealing with people becomes an interpersonal situation where you're actually working within relationships, and that can get very complicated. It can get actually very difficult. And so we're going to go through in our discussion this week, and also in our writing exercise, some really interesting topics that are going to help dive into some of these more complicated interpersonal issues. So anyway, hope everybody enjoys it. 936-205-8236. If you need anything or have any questions. And Dixie, you have anything you want to say? Say, y'all have a great week. Have fun. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.